Nested in the tranquil waters of the Seto Inland Sea, Miyajima Island beacons travelers with its captivating blend of natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. Often celebrated as one of Japan's three famous views, Nihon Sanke, Miyajima is renowned for its iconic floating torii gate, a symbol of the island's profound spiritual significance and stunning scenery. Today, we invite you to embark on a fascinating journey to explore the allure of Miyajima, where history, nature, and culture seamlessly intertwine. Miyajima earns its place among Japan's three famous sites, alongside the majestic vistas of Matsushima and the picturesque landscape of Amano Hashidate. This designation is well deserved, as the island offers a unique fusion of natural wonders and cultural treasures. The floating torii gate of Itsukushima Shrine stands as a symbol of Japan, embodying the harmonious connection between the spiritual and the natural realms. Visitors to Miyajima are often enveloped by the tranquility of its surroundings, where ancient traditions and breathtaking landscapes coexist in perfect harmony. Reaching Miyajima Island is a breeze, making it an ideal destination for travelers. Guests can enjoy a brief ferry ride from either the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park or the Miyajima-Guchi Terminal. For those traveling by train, the JR Sanyo line conveniently connects to the ferry terminals. Alternatively, the island is also accessible via streetcar. With a variety of transportation options available, Miyajima Island warmly welcomes everyone to discover its enchanting attractions. At the heart of Miyajima lies the revered Itsukushima Shrine, a testament to Japan's architectural brilliance and spiritual devotion. The shrine's unique construction over water not only enhances its ethereal beauty but also serves as a sanctuary for Shinto deities associated with the sea and storms. As visitors stroll through the shrine's pathways, they are enveloped in a profound sense of tranquility, allowing them to appreciate the centuries of history and devotion that permeate this sacred space. Just a short distance from the shrine, the Miyajima Aquarium offers an interactive experience for families and marine enthusiasts alike. Showcasing the rich biodiversity of the Seto Inland Sea, the aquarium features a variety of marine life, including mesmerizing jellyfish, vibrant coral reefs, and playful dolphins. Educational exhibits and engaging presentations breathe life into the underwater world, making it a delightful addition to your Miyajima adventure. As you continue your exploration, don't miss the opportunity to visit Senjo-kaku and Goju-noto, the five-story pagoda that stands proudly on the island. Senjo-kaku symbolizes the island's spiritual essence and offers visitors a glimpse into traditional Japanese architecture and artistry. The pagoda's intricate design and serene surroundings provide a perfect backdrop for reflection and appreciation of Japan's cultural heritage. For those seeking adventure and stunning panoramic views, a hike up Mount Misen is a must. Standing at 535 meters, Mount Misen offers sweeping vistas of the Seto Inland Sea and surrounding islands. The trails leading to the summit are lined with ancient trees and vibrant flora, creating a serene atmosphere for hikers. At the top, you'll discover Rikakudo, a sacred hall enshrining the spirit of the mountain, inviting moments of peaceful contemplation amidst breathtaking scenery. Another gem worth visiting is Daisho-in, a tranquil temple nested at the base of Mount Misen. This historic site features beautiful gardens, intricate sculptures, and serene meditation spots. As you wander through its pathways, you'll experience the deep spiritual essence of the island and the harmonious connection between nature and religion that defines Miyajima. As you stroll along Omotesando, the main shopping street of Miyajima, immerse yourself in the local culture and cuisine. This lively thoroughfare is lined with charming shops and eateries offering a variety of delicious street foods. Be sure to try the famous fried momiji manju, a delightful treat that perfectly captures the region's flavors. These sweet maple leaf-shaped cakes, filled with rich red bean paste and often served warm, are a must-try for any visitor. As we conclude our introductory journey through Miyajima Island, we invite you to stay tuned for our next documentary, where we will delve deeper into the island's rich history and spiritual significance. We will explore the tales of Itsukushima Shrine, the legends surrounding the Mount Misen, and the cultural treasures that make this destination a true reflection of Japan's heritage. Join us as we uncover the captivating essence of Miyajima Island, a sacred place where history and nature intertwine in perfect harmony.